4 SUV launches in 4 months. It started with the G350D, then came the GLC Facelift, then came the all-new GLE, and now we are in the presence of the facelifted GLC Coupe. Let me tell you just what has changed on the facelifted model. So the GLC Coupe has been around for about 4 years now, and this is its first midlife facelift. Up front, what you will immediately notice is that it's got this diamond pattern grille with a single slat. The standard GLC gets 2 slats. Down here, you've got a 3-slot for skid plate finished in aluminium. Over here, you've got the new multi-beam LED headlights. And overall, it's still pretty recognizable as a GLC Coupe, but of course, it's been freshened up quite a bit. Now, if you'll come over to the side, right here, you can see it's got 19-inch alloys. These are 6-spoke alloys. Mercedes tells us that this design was chosen to suit the sportier appeal of the GLC Coupe. And of course, it's got that dramatic swooping roofline, which of course is the USP for the GLC Coupe. And when you come over to the back, right here, you've got the all LED tail lights. And I'll quickly open the boot and show you one key touch for India. The space saver tire has been tucked away under there to make sure you've got plenty of boot space. Now let's step inside the facelifted GLC Coupe and see what's changed on the inside. Step inside the facelifted GLC Coupe, and what you will immediately notice are 2 large screens. The big talking point with the facelift is the addition of Mercedes' slick new MBUX infotainment system. Now what this does is it gives you a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system as well. What you also now get is the Hey Mercedes voice command tech. So in fact, let me try it out since we're here. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Can you tell us a joke?
Sorry, my engineers were Germans.
So it's got a sense of humor as well. Well, apart from that, on the inside, it's pretty standard Mercedes-Benz fare. There's not really much of a change in terms of design. You've got a large sunroof. Room at the back, of course, is decent enough. Tall people will find headroom a little tight. Now talking about the engine options, the GLC Coupe facelift comes with a 2-liter petrol and a 2-liter diesel. The petrol puts out 258 horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque and takes 6.3 seconds to go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. The diesel, on the other hand, makes 245 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque and does 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.6 seconds. Now, of course, that is pretty fast, and Mercedes tells us that the 43 AMG version will also follow in due course. For now, the prices of the GLC Coupe facelift have been announced. This has become Mercedes' 10th locally assembled model, and the petrol GLC Coupe facelift is priced at rupees 62.7 lakh, and the diesel is priced at rupees 63.7 lakh. So don't forget to tell us what you think of the facelifted GLC Coupe in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we can't wait to drive this one on our roads and tell you what it's like.